Charlotte, we're in Dairy Queen.
It's a bug.
Yeah.
It's a... What?
You want to play? You want to play? You play first.
My office. This is my office. I think I got this.
You want to play, Charlotte? You play, you play. Cover that. What are you doing there? So here in Berry Grace, they have what? Kids section where you could play, right?
Yes. Who made this? Oh. I think that's too much.
So what are you building?
Some...
You make a castle.
No, no.
You wanna make a castle?
Oh, wait. So it's like this one.
Yeah, you make a castle. There's a lot of dinosaurs here.
Wait.
Different types of dinosaurs.
No. Wait. It's supposed to... Oh, like that. Another piece.
Yeah, you want to build your stuff there.
Another piece. Another piece. And another piece.
So what are you building? Oh, Charlotte, there's a lot of books also.
Okay. I don't need tags of books.